everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add cards to Chase Bank digital wallet. Here's a breakdown on how to add your Chase cards to popular digital wallets, primarily focusing on using the Chase mobile app. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Chase mobile app. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone, then log in using your Chase username and password. Next, you should tap on the credit card you wish to add. If it's a debit card, tap on the associated checking account. Then navigate to the digital wallet. Swipe up to the Manage Account section. Tap on Digital Wallet. You see a list of available digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. Then tap on the digital wallet you want to use. Follow the on-screen instruction. The app will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include verifying your card information, attempting digital wallet's terms and conditions, and potential verification steps like receiving a one-time passcode. Please note that Chase continuously updates its app and services, so slight variations in the steps may occur. Ensure your Chase mobile app is up to date for the best experience. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.